If you have an LG top loader like this one, or any of them, do you see how much water pressure? Do you know why? Well, back here, hot and cold. I took those off, and there's these like filter with flow restrictors. One's gonna be blue, one's gonna be orange. And I took both of them out because this thing took forever to fill up. And now the water pressure that comes out of this is insane. This is the hot. That's hot. That's cold. And it fills up in no time. I do have water close on. Let's see if I can find yeah, they're in here. Oh. Here they are. Yep, right in there. Cold side. And this hot side was like completely caked in crap. Like it was 80% freaking blocked. I'm surprised it didn't send through code, but any washer. Doesn't matter if you have an LG or whatever, any washer. Even front loader too. Remove the flow restrictor. And I did put this is rinse aid on the inside of the glass. And why don't you look at that? Yeah, this will fill up more. I did load it evenly. I loaded it around and then I did an X because that's what you're supposed to do. If you look at the owner's manual, it says don't load it just around it. Load it around and then in an X, and then load it around and then an X all the way up to the top. So yeah, all right, peace. And watch. Cold and hot. So much better. All right, bye-bye.